Hey there, welcome back to Triplezon. If you have ever struggled with old, clunky wire strippers that leave your hands sore, you are going to love what we are looking at today. We are checking out the Zinke Foldable Wire Stripper, a tool built to make your electrical work much smoother. Let's get started. The Zinke Foldable Wire Stripper is designed for anyone who wants to speed up their projects while staying comfortable. One of the best things about it is the labor-saving spring design. Instead of you having to manually pull the handles apart after every single cut, the tool automatically reopens on its own. This small but smart mechanism significantly reduces hand fatigue during long hours of work, allowing for faster and more consistent stripping without all the manual effort. When it comes to durability, this tool is built to last. The cutting edge is crafted from 65 high manganese steel, which is a material known for being incredibly tough and resistant to wear. Shinki also used an integral heat treatment process on the steel to ensure the blades stay sharp for a very long time. This gives you a strong shear force that can cleanly and efficiently strip wires of various thicknesses, so you get a perfect result every time. The design is another area where this tool really stands out. Since it is a foldable wire stripper, it is incredibly portable and convenient. You can easily fold it up and tuck it into your pocket or a small toolkit without worrying about the sharp edges catching on anything or getting damaged. It is compact and lightweight, yet it feels robust enough to handle serious tasks. It is the kind of tool that fits perfectly into a busy lifestyle, where you might need to jump from one project to another. Whether you are a professional electrician working on a major installation or a DIY enthusiast fixing things around the house, the Shinki wire stripper is a great addition to your gear. It is perfect for everything from hobby projects to general electrical maintenance. If you are someone who values high-quality materials and ergonomic features that make work feel less like a chore, this tool is definitely for you. This is a fantastic tool that balances smart engineering with a very rugged build. If you want to add one to your collection, check the price link in the description. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to Triplezon for more helpful product highlights. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next one.